beautiful day today.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day to do your scooter.
Trying to take a video of like birds and stuff, you know.
Bird watching?
Looking sweet.
You're bird watching.
Woo! Bird. Oh, that's it. Guys,
You're bird watching, but with a smartphone.
try to get up a little more closer. Birds! Birds!
Hanging out back here or up front?
I'm hanging out here, back here. There's tons of surprising things. So yeah, here's today's night. So Minecraft, I guess today, well, we're kind of just looking for, you know, like birds and stuff. Because literally.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah. So guys, today, well, no, that's basically it. It's just been the start of spring, and through 2 days, it's been just amazing. It's just been like so hot that, yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I'm wearing sunglasses. But when I'm in the shade, I kind of don't need them. Because it is like super hot, guys. This is going to be perfect because in school, do you know in the winter how they have like all that snow paint skis and stuff? And you can't really like run good. Now we don't have all that stuff, so I can like run way faster.
Guys, it's 60 degrees and it's spring in Minnesota.
Minnesota Blaine.
Yeah. In the United States of America. Gracie,
United States of
teach me
America.
tricks. Gracie, teach me tricks. Falling.
Guys, if we're gonna try and see birds, we have to be quiet.
I never said I wanted to see the birds.
Well, could you at least keep the loud noises away from me? Okay, then I'm going away from you guys. See if we can find any squirrels. Any squirrels? I know sometimes, like, this was actually in winter, which is pretty weird. But a little squirrel like came down from the trees. It's just really cool to watch, guys. Where?
Oh, it flew away. But also, why don't you make a video about scootering?
So what? That's not cool. Woo! Right there, guys.
See, there's the bird. Hey, Miss
I don't really know. Oh,
Tony.
that's what you guys both couldn't see. Oh, it's like really hiding in. Let me just.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Who has baloney?
Now can you see it, guys?
I'm faster than you, so.
Come on. Can you guys see it? I don't really think you guys can actually see it. Or I'm literally just blind. I mean, I can see it in real life, but on here I literally cannot see it. Am I just blind? Okay, let's go back into normal form. Okay, that's better. Let's see what else we can find. Maybe some woodpeckers or something. What can we find? There are lots of music, I just can't see music. Get it? I gotta get a...
I just saw a bird.
What?
I saw a bird.
A bird?
I think it flew up to the front yard. Oh, yeah, I see it. I think it's up there.
It's not up there.
This is going to take forever.
Guys, let's go look up here, and I don't know why we're looking up here because Grace is pretty much, I know,
Birds up there.
I just know that she's not telling me. Woo! I can control the light with this phone, come on. Where did the light go? Oh, dang it. Come on. Wish I could just blind them. Always tries to do that. Like in the sun in our eyes. Well, things like that blinds us. Just because the sun in our eyes. What else do we have? There's lots of birds up here.
I told you there were lots of birds up there.
We gotta get more into the sky. Hiya.
DJ, why do you all have to be on the phone? Why don't you scooter with us?
Because I don't like scootering.
Terrified.
Savannah!
I'm not.
You were going forward and you're
I
about
was going
to go.
backwards.
No, she wasn't. Come on, we're in our trees.
Okay, get off that and play.
Why? Okay, guys, I guess that's all we can do for today, which is pretty. Seriously, guys. Guys, if you've seen it on the other channel,
Can you go?
that tree right over there, that's Hopi's pooping tree.
Too far.
Oh, God.
No, there isn't. Just have to walk 4 steps and done. Savannah, get your own. I'm never gonna get you water, okay? Why should
So, guys, I guess that's all the time that we have for today. Because my mom is so mean and she doesn't want me to like do videos so you guys can see cool birds and stuff.
What you doing?
And see my epic sunglasses. Well, I guess that's all the time I have today. And I also hope you guys are loving the other channel. Goodbye.